Really? Wow. You just drop it like that? That's crazy. I know it's Mother Nature, but you don't have to drop it like that. That's crazy, guys. Now we're gonna go ahead and check this guy out. This will be an interesting one. It's all wet now. See what it is. Wow, it's wet. Be interesting. Go from here. We're gonna go ahead and open this guy up. And what's this all about? Wow, look at this, guys. So this is what I got. It's supposed to be a waterproof. Now you guys can see. We're gonna go ahead and see if it's waterproof. If it's a real waterproof. And it's wet. Oh my goodness. And it's wet. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and see if this is truly a Mother Nature bag. And voila. Wow, it got wet inside. That's interesting. It's supposed to be a waterproof. Interesting. So this is waterproof, but we're gonna go ahead and figure it out exactly how this works. Alright guys, so apparently this thing has already been to a drone drop, and you guys can see that, and it seems got wet, but we're gonna go ahead and open it here and see what's the, you know, when I do a review, I do a lot of extreme, and I gotta make sure these things are good, and that's what I'm paying for. That's the reason why I'm paying top notch for these bags. But if it does fail, it fails. But we're gonna go ahead and see what all got defected on, because this thing has already been dropped. The delivery drone already dropped it, and then you can see it's wet, and he says this is a waterproof. And it's wet. Maybe it was open when I got it, and that's probably what happened. And this is strapped here, and I guess you can put like wires or whatever you want to put in here, SD card, GoPro stuff, the Mavic. You can put here the propellers. Seems wet. Is this waterproof or water resistance? This is a question of mine. So I guess this is how the Mavic 2 or Pro sits here, and that's where the transmitter, and this is where the battery goes. And look, you also get this controller, but I probably won't even need this because the newer model, the thing comes off. And that's about it on this guy. But I'm gonna do more tests on this, because I was expecting it more. You know, I thought it was gonna be real waterproof. I mean, you're spending this kind of money, better be waterproof. And you can see it's wet in there. And good thing I don't have the Mavic Pearl inside of it. then we're gonna go inside. So this is the lander. Cool thing about this one here is the fact that instead of me in the sand, I can just go ahead and relaunch my drone from here. I don't have to worry about getting in the sand or in tall grass or anything like that. And hopefully it'll do a precision landing. So we'll try that out. And that's about it for this Miggo lander extreme bag that can handle Mother Nature. But to me it looked like it's not been started yet because right now it's super wet. Let's go ahead for the, oh, you can also put the iPod here or extra phone. Okay, it's dry in here. So I had a feeling the reason why if I got wet inside because I did not, it's probably open like this and water got in, and that's the reason why that it's really wet around here more than anything else. And of course when I picked it up this way, the water got in all the way to the end. But it looked like it's getting dry really fast. And see what I can do with this bag. So that's it for this Miggo lander bag. So if you are in extreme like myself, this is where to go, or even not. But most places where I'm at, I'm gonna be in extreme environment, and I'm gonna see if this thing will extremely put this to the test and see what's all about. Remember guys, this is not sent to me. I pay for this, and it's actually a Christmas present for my girlfriend, for me. So, but still, I'm still gonna do a review on it because I actually ordered it and see what it's all about. Is it worth the money and of your time looking at this? And is this really a Mother Nature bag? And we're gonna go from here. I think this one here is designed for the Mavic. Wow, this thing's hard to cut. Let me go ahead and cut the instructions up. And it just shows you how this thing is gonna be used. It's gonna show you how this thing gonna be used and abused. Wow, look at that. See the guys in the sand, he's running around with it. But we're gonna go ahead and see what's all about. And I guess that's how you set it up your Mavic Pro, and this is how you set up your tablet. Pretty unique. So yes, so I'll go ahead and put down the link. I got this for $100, and I'll go ahead and show you guys the link and go from here. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. It's a fast dry, so even though it get wet like your lander, you just get one of this cloth here and you just wipe it off and you get dry right away. So it's pretty neat, pretty cool design. So now everything is dried out in there, and the only thing's gonna take a few minutes to dry is this piece here. And because it's still wet, but we're gonna go ahead and see what else. Yeah, so it's already dried. It's a fast dry. It's one of those material that they use for like tents or how you call this? Those tarp kind of type. and it's really dry, and you just close it like this, and you just roll, and then you're done. There you go. So Miggo is done. Bag, lander. Here you go. Just wipe it all off. It's really good for extreme environment. But like I said, I'm still gonna put this guy to the test and see what's all about and go from here.